Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So this is my first sit down vlog of the year 2026. So today I want to briefly show you guys, or maybe list out the 9 local governments that will be included in this proposed Anioma state creation. But before that, guys, I would like to dive in a little bit concerning that Anioma state creation. Even though before now I've not been talking about it, but I've been following up with the development and everything that is going on there. So all this why the state creation has been gathering a lot of momentum, and there have been a lot of back and forth, or the whether it will go to Anioma or go to Adada. So but at some point, the Anioma side start gathering a lot of support from most especially the southeast and others. So what's actually happened is that according to some of the things I've read online, and there's some confirmed information, the slot for the state creation was actually given to southeast, and the slot was meant for southeast, and what we were looking at before was Adada state. Not even talk about all those ones that are coming up, which they say they are name states or whatever, all those ones. I'm not even interested in them. What I was looking at before was Adada state, till Anioma came in the picture, and according to what I read, the slot was given to Anioma to be created and carved into southeast. So but at some point, some online warriors begin to spread rumors that southeasterners are trying to do land grabbing, and whatever that they are trying to force people from south to join them, while the reverse is the case. So glory be to God that it was some of them who are also championing for the state creation, were the people who make that clarification that it was not any Southeasterners that is forcing or doing any forcing, but it's just them that actually want to kind of have their own state, and this is the opportunity. So guys, I don't want to waste my time much on this particular topic. If you want to grab anything concerning Anioma state creation, I can refer you to Almighty Spirit, Igboezwe TV, and the rest of them, a lot of them online. So you can head over to their Facebook page, Twitter or TikTok. You see a lot of updates concerning the Anioma state creation. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in and give you some of the local government that will be included in this Anioma state creation. In Delta State, I think they have up to, if I'm not mistaken, either 27, 20 something local government. Out of that 20 something local government, I think 9 of it is Igbo speaking local government in Delta State. So that 9 local government is what I'm about to give you guys, and including their headquarters. So the first on my list, which I'm seeing over here, is we have Aniocha North. We have Aniocha North, which is the first on my list. Aniocha North, the headquarters is located in Iseluku. Iseluku is an Igbo speaking community in Delta State. That is where the headquarters is located, Aniocha North. The second one on my list is Aniocha South. Aniocha South is located in, which is the headquarter, is located in Ogwashiuku. Then the third on our list is Eka South. Eka South is located, the headquarter is located in Abo. All of us know Abo. We also know Ogwashiuku. Even though you don't know about Ogwashi, you're supposed to know about Ogwashi police. So I've did some videos about Ogwashi, from covering the that just glimpse view of the Ogwashi Poli and some part of Ogwashi, which I said Anelta South, the local government is located in Ogwashuku. Then third on my list, I said Eka South is located, their headquarters is located in Abo. I've been to Abo, but have not been inside the town. I just came across, just across the state, across the village, or across the town to somewhere else. So the fourth on my list is Eka North East. Eka North East is the fourth on my list. Eka North East is located in Owa Oyibu. I'll be leaving the name on my screen. All of them will be appearing on this screen. Owa Oyibu is the headquarter for the Eka Northeast. The fifth on my list is Ndokwa East. Ndokwa East. The headquarter is located in Abo, and Abo is in Okwane. Sorry. So the sixth on my list is Ndokwa West. Ndokwa West. The headquarter is located in Kwale. The headquarter is located in Kwale. I've not been to Kwale. Kwale is one of the popular towns in Delta, Igbo speaking part in Delta State, but I've not been there, which I'm planning to visit one day. So the seventh on my list is Oshimili North. Oshimili North headquarter is located in Akukwu Igbo. Akukwu Igbo. That is where the headquarter of Oshimili North is located. And bear in mind, we also have Akuku. I think we also have Akuku or something like that along this Onitsha Owerri Road side, after Oba. I think it's Akuku before Orifit or something. We have Akuku there, and this is Akuku Igbo. So the eighth on my list is Oshimili South. Oshimili South headquarter is located in Asaba. Is located in Asaba. Oshimiri South headquarter is located in Asaba, which all of us know. So the last of our list is Okwane. Okwane local government. The headquarter is located in Obiarko, another popular town which I've not visited in Delta State. These are the 9 local governments which will be included in the Anioma state creation. Also, you can hear that some Eka people, or should I say, not Eka, I think Ibanke in Edo State also are clamoring to join the Anioma state creation. So, from what I'm hearing, I think there will be a kind of boundary adjustment to include those of our brothers in Ebanke into the Anioma state creation. Like I said earlier, these are the lists of the local government to be included in the proposed Anioma state creations. So if you wish to find out more about the state creation, I've given you some names you can check up on Facebook, TikTok or Twitter, which is Almighty Spirit, Deputy Jesus, Ebukafilms TV. You can as well check out somebody like forgetting the name, the Unified, Igbo Unified now, Nemeka or somebody. So this is where we're gonna be cutting this video, and if you have any question, kindly drop them via comment sections. We're gonna attend to them very quickly. Thank you guys for watching, and we are begging you guys, kindly subscribe. We want to get to 6k subscribers before the end of January this month. So subscribe to our channel, share the video, give us your own take. Do you think Anioma state will be actualized finally, or it will go to Ada? So let us know your take if you are in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in our next video.